Have you ever wondered how rose perfume is made? Follow along. At dawn, vast rose fields awaken ready for a modern harvest. Millions of vibrant damask rose petals are efficiently collected, destined for world-class perfume. The harvest begins its journey transporting nature's delicate bounty to advanced facilities. Precision engineering initiates the delicate transfer of nature's bounty. Thousands of petals begin their automated journey guided by advanced systems. From field to factory, the journey of transformation has truly begun. Automated systems begin the delicate washing process of the freshly harvested rose petals. Skilled workers meticulously monitor the sophisticated machinery, ensuring flawless operation. Advanced robotics precisely guide the raw materials into the gargantuan extraction stills. The colossal vessels are now sealed, ready for the crucial extraction phase. Precision engineering guides solvent through delicate rose petals, initiating the extraction. Automated systems precisely separate and channel the waxy rose concrete into colossal processing vats. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting videos. These enormous secondary vats signify the next stage in refining the precious rose concrete. In the secondary hall, giant machines gently mix rose concrete with pure alcohol, beginning the precious fragrances isolation. Robotic arms prepare for decanting, poised to collect the precious rose absolute into pristine canisters. The concentrated rose absolute, a liquid gold of fragrance, steadily fills each sealed canister. The automated process ensures every drop of precious rose absolute is securely captured and ready for the next stage. Here, advanced processes refine the delicate essence, ensuring every drop contributes to the perfect perfume. From raw materials to refined compounds, every stage is meticulously controlled for purity and potency. This colossal reactor farm exemplifies modern perfumery's dedication to quality and innovation. Precision engineering orchestrates the genesis of exquisite fragrances in colossal vessels. From the control room, skilled American workers oversee every critical stage. Within the colossal reactor, precise chemical reactions unfold. With vigilance, American technicians ensure flawless production cycles. A synchronized team of American workers ensures peak performance.
It's within tolerance, but let's cross-reference the dew point data from Sector 4.
The meticulous journey to purity begins isolating the core essence of our exquisite fragrance. Through precise fractional distillation, every impurity is meticulously removed. Advanced technology ensures an unparalleled level of refinement. Robotic precision guarantees the highest quality batch after flawless batch. Within this vast compounding hall, raw materials transform into exquisite fragrance. An intricate network of pipes guides precise formulations to their destination. Within these massive vessels, advanced automation precisely blends precious components. The symphony of technology and nature culminates in a product of unparalleled purity. Precision engineering orchestrates the delicate fusion of precious raw materials. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting videos. Complex algorithms guide every drop, ensuring perfect harmony in the final fragrance. Robotic precision ensures every component is measured to perfection. Advanced sensors constantly monitor and adjust the blend, ensuring unparalleled quality. The heart of the perfume, an exquisite blend, begins its journey to perfection. A symphony of engineering where immense power meets delicate precision. Each rotation ensures perfect homogenization, blending the ingredients flawlessly. Advanced automation orchestrates this colossal blending process. Here, the freshly compounded essence begins its transformative journey, maturing in colossal stainless steel. Endless rows of monumental tanks stand sentinel, each holding thousands of gallons of precious perfume base. Within these silent chambers, complex chemical reactions refine the aromatic symphony. Advanced sensors vigilantly monitor every parameter, ensuring optimal conditions for perfection. Here, time itself becomes an ingredient, silently perfecting the delicate balance of the rose essence. Advanced technology ensures a stable environment crucial for the delicate aging of fine perfumes. Every detail is monitored, guaranteeing the purity and consistency of each batch. A stream of pristine bottles begins its journey, meticulously prepared for the precious essence within. Powerful ionized air jets meticulously cleanse each bottle, ensuring absolute purity. Sterilized to perfection, these gleaming vessels are now ready for their aromatic destiny. Precision engineering guides each empty bottle, ready for its luxurious transformation. Dozens of nozzles descend a synchronized dance of advanced technology. In a fraction of a second, each bottle receives its exact measure without a single drop lost. Filled bottles gracefully exit the carousel, moving swiftly to the next automated stage. Each bottle a testament to perfection, filled to the brim with exquisite perfume. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting videos. Precision Robotics initiate the delicate dance of bottling, ensuring every detail is perfect. With unwavering precision, caps are added, sealing in the exquisite fragrance. The newly capped bottles advance, ready for the crucial tightening phase. Precision Robotics bring the final product to its elegant packaging. Each luxury box is a perfect cradle for the exquisite perfume within. Every meticulously crafted package represents the pinnacle of luxury and quality. The meticulous journey concludes with each bottle exquisitely prepared for the world. Precision automation ensures every exquisite perfume is perfectly prepared for global distribution. Advanced systems seal each case, safeguarding the precious contents from our state-of-the-art facility.
How are we doing on the rose shipment?
Almost finished with this batch, looking good.
Each case is automatically labeled, ready for its journey to connoisseurs worldwide. Automated guided vehicles seamlessly transport valuable components across the vast facility. Precision automation guides every precious cargo to its designated storage. Within this automated labyrinth, every product finds its precise, secure location. Automated systems ensure every precious bottle finds its place, marking the culmination of a sophisticated journey. Precision engineering guides each product to its designated slot, a seamless ballet of technology. From delicate blossoms to global distribution, the journey of high-end fragrance is complete.
Here are the Rose Damas boxes, freshly arrived this morning.
Thank you. We will handle them with the utmost care. Wow.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting videos.